Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare stir-fry indomie with scrambled egg. So guys can see all the items here. Here I have carrot slice, green beans, onion, egg and 2 pieces of indomie. Don't want to prepare it plenty, just want to do small quantities so that I'll show you guys how I prepare it. Stir fry indomie with scrambled egg. So I've already put the water on the fire boiling. Now to tear the indomie and put. Please keep washing. So guys can see the water on the fire boiling. Now put the indomie. Chop 2 pieces. So I didn't put the spice yet. And now put the carrot and green beans. So you allow them to boil. So I'll leave them to boil like 5 minutes. So guys can see. So I'll strain the water away now. See now. Put the pan back to fire. Allow the water to dry for the pan, then you add little oil. Add little vegetable oil. So guys can see it. Wash it very carefully. Now add the onion. This is the time you put the spice. This is the spice. So the spice. This is the second one. Sorry. Guys can see. See, stir fry indomie. So I'll off the light now. First is done. So I'll prepare the scrambled egg now. So after I prepare the scrambled egg, I'll now dish it in the plate and see how it looks. So this is the 3 eggs that I will use. I'll now break it inside the plate. Something is inside. Yes. I'll now add white pepper. This is the white pepper. Add salt, pinch of salt. If you like, you can add Maggi seasoning. Add little. So guys can see the pan on the fire. You now pour the egg. After you pour it, started stirring it small. You do it small, you leave it so that the thing will go down well. And started Onion is small. Wow, so guys can see how it come out. Now off the light. You can see this is scrambled egg. So it's time now to dish the indomie or noodles. Wow, so guys can see how yummy it is. This is indomie, stir fry indomie with scrambled egg. You can see the scrambled egg on the top. So if you want to eat, you can eat it like this. It's a very simple menu. It's not hard. So anybody can do it. Very delicious. So that is all for stir fry indomie with scrambled egg. I want you guys to try it at home and see how yummy it is. You do it, you will like it. The thing is very yummy. And see the scrambled egg on top. So if you want to eat, if you like, mix them together. Or na food. But if you do it like this, it look very yummy. If you are eating it, you are enjoying it very well. If you want to put protein by the side, you can find your protein and put by the side like chicken, red meat or sausage, anything you can put by the side. When you chop this one, you buy this one, equation balance. So that is all for scrambled egg and stir fry indomie and scrambled egg. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. I know you guys have been trying for me. I still need your help more and more. So keep watching. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.